Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Afizini bin Azmi, F2010.
My name Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Shafi'i, F1113.
Today I will show you how to change engine oil for motorcycle RS150.
First, park the motorcycle using a double stand. Please be careful. Make sure the motorcycle is stable.
Second, the plastic container is put under the motorcycle. Use the big container and prevent the used oil from splashing everywhere.
Third, the engine oil nut at the bottom engine is turned counterclockwise using the 17mm spanner.
Fourth, the used engine oil is drained until it stops dripping, then put the plastic container aside.
Next, the engine oil nut is turned clockwise back under the engine using the same spanner. Please be cautious, don't tighten the bolt to prevent thread damage.
Then, the engine oil cap at the right side of the engine is unscrewed using a splice.
After that, the next engine oil is poured into the engine using a funnel.
Furthermore, the engine oil level is checked using the oil level checker under the engine cap. Make sure it is between the upper and lower line.
At the end, the engine oil cap is screwed back in using the hand, then tighten using a plier.
Okay, that's all for our video. Thank you for watching.